ABML Morning Update. Gold rush in AI is helping India to assert clout after a tough last year. Global markets. US markets moved higher on Wednesday, supported by gains in key technology names, as traders wait the release of the minutes from the Federal Reserve's most recent policy meeting. S&P gained 0.56%, while Nasdaq gained 0.78%. Dow rose 0.26%. Investors mulled over the minutes from the Fed's January meeting, which revealed that participants largely approved of the central bank's decision to leave its key interest rate unchanged at a range of 3.5% to 3.75%. However, officials were divided on the direction of monetary policy thereafter. Elsewhere, oil prices jumped as those on Wall Street digested the latest developments between the US and Iran. Vice President J.D. Vance said Tuesday that Iran failed to address US red lines in this week's nuclear talks and that military action is still a possibility. European stocks closed higher on Wednesday as investors weighed the latest UK inflation data and monitored global market developments. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 ended the session 1.2% higher, with major bosses and most sectors in positive territory. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on February 18th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.34% at 83,734 and Nifty was up 0.37% at 25,819. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 33 points at 25,839, signaling a flat start to the trading session. India and Canada are set to finalize the terms of their proposed trade pact in March, marking the third attempt to revive negotiations on the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement (CEPA), which was paused in 2023 amid diplomatic tensions. Talks have regained momentum following renewed political engagement, with both sides aiming to double bilateral trade to $50 billion by 2030 and deepen cooperation across sectors. During April to December 2025, merchandise trade stood at $5.8 billion, while total goods and services trade reached $23.66 billion in 2024, though recent trends show some moderation. India's key exports to Canada include pharmaceuticals, gems and jewelry, engineering goods, seafood and organic chemicals, whereas Canada exports pulses, potash, paper and wood pulp and scrap metals to India. Foreign direct investment from Canada stands at $4.2 billion, with portfolio investments exceeding $75 billion, and both governments see the renewed talks as vital to strengthening long-term economic ties and restoring trade momentum. Focus for the day: US trade balance. Key corporate developments/policy actions. Bharat Forge and VVDN Technologies explored collaboration across automotive, defense and AI-driven platforms, electronics and advanced manufacturing. Jindal SAW Limited received a suspension letter from the American Petroleum Institute restricting fixation of API monogram on certain seamless pipes after audit non-conformances. Hindustan Unilever's board has approved an investment of around 2,000 crore rupees over 2 years to expand manufacturing capacity in premium beauty and well-being and home care segments. Cochin Shipyard has signed a contract worth over 2,000 crore rupees with France-based CMA CGM to design and build 6 LNG-powered feeder container vessels, 1,700 TEU each, with deliveries scheduled between 36 and 64 months. Fund flow. FII bought shares worth 11.54 billion rupees, while DII also bought for 4.40 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.